Welcome to Baking with the Raizadas family. We are currently at Asda and we're going to be making French brownies. We need butter.
Is it French?
That's what the recipe says. I don't know. Traditional French brownies. We need butter, chocolate and brown sugar and washing up liquid from mum. Let's go do that. This is the bag of choice for today. Let's go. First ingredient acquired.
Butter.
Unsalted butter. Next, what's next? Brown sugar. Sugar acquired. Next, chocolate. Ava's vetoed the chocolate, so we're getting 200 grams because she thinks we need a lot more chocolate than the recipe says. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get fucked ton of chocolate. We've got 200 grams of Lindt chocolate because Lindt chocolate fucking bangs. And only the best for the YouTube channel, you know what I mean? Premium products only. But yeah, we've gone for pink cancer research eggs because we're being nice and they're pink. Alright, we'll see you back at the house. We're on the way home now. Time to go bake some brownies. Step 1, preheat the oven to 190. And then
190? No.
that's what the recipe says, Ava.
Yeah, that's what it's on 11. 11's like worse.
Then wash your hands, you stinky bitch. Something has snuck into our shopping bag. What the hell are you doing? First step, we gotta brown the butter. There's the specified amount in the video is 2 eggs worth of butter. So, do you reckon the whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Low heat.
Yeah. Looks like oil that melts, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got that one up.
That? It's metal.
Okay. Right. Whole slab of butter in the pan. And then you gotta melt it. Okay, while Ava's doing that, I'm gonna chop up the chocolate.
You just start knife.
Okay. All done. So, as soon as this starts to brown, you lift it off.
Yeah.
So just keep mixing it.
I'm mixing it.
So it's starting to foam. And as soon as it starts to brown, we're gonna take it off. That is the idea. It's starting to heat up. Not quite browned yet, so we keep mixing. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, mixing. What do? We mix.
Okay, brown.
Right, it's foaming. That is brown. Okay, turn the heat off and keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Yeah, that's brown.
So we want to wait for it to cool down before we add the chocolate.
No show. Again.
Can you go 5-5?
No, this is already bad. Eek, eek, eek. I don't know if I'm seeing any. I'm probably just gaslighting myself there. I think there's, you know, you can get bits and eggs sometimes. Oh! Oh no! Saved, I think. Esther! Why are you so bad?
Okay, the butter's cooled down so I can touch it. Watch. Whoop. It's fine. Now, we're going to add all the chocolate in. And it will melt. And I'll keep mixing. Perfect.
Don't know how many
So the chocolate's melting in. It says 1 megaton of sugar. Okay. 1 megaton of brown sugar.
How does that look?
And then
Does that look like we use her?
I think that's reasonable.
A bit more. Okay.
How's this working?
Bam.
Again, we have to mix it until it's a foam. Mixing. I don't know why you can hear me, but it's now a foam, as you can see. So soon we're going to add the chocolate in about a minute. Okay, foam's done. Bring the chocolate over and pour it all in. You chose an awkward angle. Right, go on. That's good. Get it all out.
It's hard. Oops.
Just the majority of it, fine. That's fine.
Okay, Joe.
Okay, continue mixing. Okay, mixing's done. Next step is add 1 iPod of flour and the bunch cocoa powder. So we'll do that. You got that over?
We add all it. Oops, sorry.
Go on, put it in. Okay, cocoa powder in. And then an iPhone's worth of flour.
That's enough.
Okay.
Now we fold.
And you have to fold this in, whatever, so you don't lose the air.
The air.
Get folding. Okay. Almost done folding it in. Then it's going to go in the baking tray. We're going to add a little bit of salt, and then it goes in the oven. In there. Okay. This is what we got. Pretty nice texture. And it's going in the pan. That's really nice.
Oh my gosh, that actually tastes like the Cafe Nero one. I don't know why I'm referring to that. Finished product. I mean...
A little bit of pink Himalayan salt.
Professional that.
And then we're supposed to fold it in. Give it a little mix in. Sorry if you can hear my sister in the background. Alright.
This is going to be in the back of every videos.
This is now going to go in the oven. Alright, Ava, will you do the honours? And in it goes. Nice. Okay, while the brownies are cooking, we're going to be opening this Scott and Violet Base 3-pack blister.
Got this one in here.
Alright, come on, Darcy.
Oh.
Okay, we have 3 packs. We want a Secret Illustration Rare, or an SIR, what we're hoping for. See? So, we got Grimer, Brooksish, Katnier, Sandile, Gredent, Vivian, Dog, Switch, Skirret. Ooh, Bayonet EX Full Art. That's not bad.
That's really good.
Okay, pack number 2. Here you go, Darcy. Okay. We have Krokorok, Monkey, that thing, that other thing, Forest Seed, Rocky Helmet. Okay, we got a Flamingo, a Toxtricity, and a regular Hollow. Right, 1 pack to go. Can we pull something nice? The full art's not bad. We have got 1 good pull, so if we get nothing, it's okay. But we can dream. Rotom, Palpad, Fluette, Coxel, Hypno, Beach, that thing. And finally, regular holo. But got this very nice Baynet EX full art.
That is pretty sick, yeah.
It's pretty clean. That's not bad. Clean. And now we wait. How long's left? 10 minutes before we check it. We'll give it a little dip test and we'll see how it's doing. Yeah. Okay, we're going to check the brownies.
How do you... Oh, it's like 300. Okay.
Cool, take it out. Okay, that is how they are looking. I'm going to leave them for an hour to cool down. Be back in an hour. They smell amazing though. Yeah. It smells so good. It is time. The brownies have rested for an hour. They're still warm? Barely. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh.
Have a look at that.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Super foamy. Do you want to get a bite? Okay, taste test. Oh my god, that's insane. It actually melts in your mouth. Oh my
You
god.
cooked that for the perfect time as well.
Oh, that's actually so good. The middle literally melts. It's like a mousse.
Mm.
Damn.
No chocolate for you.
Right. Raizadas sibling baking scale. What are we giving it out of 10?
That's the best brownie I've made. Oh. The
I wanna give
brownie butter.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Yeah, I'll also give it a 9.
Mm.
I don't know what we can make that would be better than this, realistically.
Maybe chocolate chips. We've got that chocolate chips.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Mm.
But for the most part, that is genuinely pretty perfect.
Mm.
Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.